So we've recently launched our new asset in the UK, a 2K and a 5K facility leveraging Thermo Fisher's DynaDrive technologies. This new asset we're really excited about because it offers a mid-scale solution for our launch customers, companies in the space that are looking to maximize supply chain security while also gaining flexibility across various processes and needs for their patient populations.
The Fuji team and the Thermo Fisher team started to work together several years ago in thinking about the needs Fuji had. And one of the goals that the organization had was to be able to have very flexible scale, the ability to scale up for their customers, but also the ability to help customers in their very early stages. The DynaDrive ended up having the perfect capability for the Fuji team. And so we got to work really partnering with Fuji over the last several years in helping to characterize the platform and then really help them embed the process and the platform into their new facilities.
We're really excited about just the dynamics of the market in general. We're seeing more personalized medicine and we're seeing more complex processes be developed today. So titers and just how our customers need to be supported have a wide range of needs. And we see that this is a flexible solution that allows us to support a wide variety of different customers while also delivering that efficiency and that supply chain security that's critical when a customer is ready to launch their product. This is really when it starts to really matter for most of these companies and the patients that they're working with. And we leverage our COJO-X philosophy, which is we're building all of our facilities at the same scale with this platform so that we can offer this solution not just in our Borealis facility in the UK, but also in our facilities in Toyama, Japan, and further facility investments that we could make in College Station, Texas. So those types of capabilities allow us to not only offer flexibility for different patient populations, different process types, but also a global solution with the same type of support wherever you're working with Fujifilm.
One of the things that we really love about the DynaDrive technology, and one of the reasons we're so excited to work with Fuji is, as Mark said, they needed flexibility and scalability. And so our film is standardized against all of the scales that we work in, and we have the capability to go from 1 liter all the way to 5,000 liters of scale in the same process with the same technology. So it offers maximal flexibility for customers like Mark and for his customers, so that as they start small and begin to develop and then iterate and begin to intensify their process as they go along and scale it up, they've got an option and flexibility to do that in the same seed train, in the same platform the whole time with consistency of results.
I think we're at the golden age of biopharmaceutical production and support. We're seeing more medicines come to market. We're able to support more and more patients and more customer needs than we ever thought possible 10 to 15 years ago. And for us, what that means is that there's an opportunity to bring more products to patients that are needing those. And for all of us, I think that's why we're here. That's why we want to support this industry. That's why we want to be part of this overall mission statement. And for Fujifilm, the partnership that we've had with Thermo Fisher helps us realize that for all of the customers that we support and ultimately the patients that they're here to serve.
I think from a Thermo Fisher perspective, some of the things Mark said resonate very well with us at Thermo Fisher. He talked about supply resilience and supply assurance. That's the #1 most important thing to all of our customers. When you're dealing with patients, when you're trying to change lives and help improve patient care, you must have supply to the market. And so the ability for Fuji to serve the global community with their platforms and with their facilities is fantastic. Thermo Fisher much has the same mindset in that we too have really de-risked our supply chain and want to provide our support to the globe wherever our customers and their patients are. And so I think it starts with that common set of principles. The other thing I think that really came to light when we had our conversations with Fuji early on is they were looking to change the game and create much greater productivity. They were looking to move from large scale alone to being able to offer a solution for customers across the continuum. And so the DynaDrive platform really became that hallmark bench strength solution for them. So we are really excited about this opportunity, this collaboration, and we can't wait to support all of you and all of the patients that you serve together.